Welcome back at Freelancing with Sangma tutorial. This tutorial powered by Sangma Graphics and Freelancing.com and sponsored by ringrang24.com, commonniche.com and abimatimes.com blog page. And today I will show you how to install the WordPress on your cPanel, on your hosting and domain accounts. It can be blog or web page. Just to be sure you have access on your cPanel or password. Usually you will receive all the information from the hosting company by email. Now I am going to show you how we can install the WordPress on your Hostgator cPanel. This is very cool steps. I will show you one by one, step by step. Just keep your mind, this is in administrative backend. Once you have purchased any plan, you will get a lot of tools that can use. Usually, cPanel login credential atmosphere almost same. Whatever it is, Hostgator, Bluehost, GoDaddy or other hosting company. If you need more information concerning hosting and domain, I have given referral links in below. Actually, the WordPress is simply a content management system as well as simplest and most popular way to create your blog page or website. So, without delay, let's get started.
Hi, welcome back. This is my Hostgator billing account. Just couple of days ago, I have purchased a new domain named abimatimes.com, and this is why I am able to access cPanel account to build my new blog page. And I thought myself, that's giving me a good opportunity to make this tutorial. So click on your Hostgator login cPanel account. Here you have to put your username and password. My password already have, and this is secret as you know. Right now I am on my Hostgator cPanel account. You have seen my Hostgator account has been already set up to install the WordPress. You will see there are many tools and options that can use. I am not going to explain right now the whole thing. Just today I will show you simply how we can install the WordPress on your cPanel. You can install the WordPress either by popular links or special offers or by the software links. So click on your quick install, and this option gives you sweetest service included. Now we have to select domain from the drop down menu that I already registered. If you want install under the subdirectory, you can. It's up to you. But I don't want. Here you have to fill out the settings information. So you have to put your blog name or blog title. My blog name is abimatimes and username is Chiran1976. And then put your first name. My name Louis, and my last name is Chiran. Then lastly you have to put your admin email. My email address is abimatimes@gmail.com. Okay, well, here you will see checkbox data that automatically created, and we have to select terms of services agreement as well. So now the WordPress completely ready to install, and click install, and the WordPress is being installed. Congratulations! We have done WordPress installation successfully. Here you can see the WordPress authority gives you username and password. Now let me log in WordPress with this WordPress username and password. So simply copy and paste. Then click on your hover over. You will see how it looks like the brand new website or blog page. That's it. In this way, we can create our first amazing website or blog page.
I hope this tutorial will helpful for you. If so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That gives me more inspiration to make more videos. And thanks for watching this video.